At some point my camera shut off. I don't know what that's about, but I'm going to give you the 4-shot average for the Remington with 32 grains of GoEx, and I got with the Kato 220 grain hollow point, I got 871, 825, 849, and 846. So like I told you before, I don't know where this shut off. I am going to save these last 2 shots to take them to media to see how these hollow points perform. I'm going to put this on pause and pick up the next one. So we're going to see how this goes here. Again, I think this one I'm going to save the last 2 shots to test them out in water media to see how these 2 bullets perform. And in this case, we are running 215 grain. I'm lying to you, I gotta go another page. In this Ruger Old Army, we're going to 240 grain Muckwa. I designed the 240 grains and heavier specifically to have a 456 diameter. So here we go. Let's see what we get out of this. And I'm showing 35 grains of Swiss on this one. Holy crap. I got a piece of my screen on that one. And I got 1473. That don't make sense. I'm going to go around and see if I can fix that. Okay, that's crazy. But I got a piece of it. Didn't ruin it, just got enough to knock it off. Well, that's to be foreseen. I haven't shot another round. But let's see what I get. Again, the 240 grain at Muckwa bullet at 35 grains of Swiss powder. And see if we can do this without hitting things. That's more like 1,003 feet per second. Now, let's see. Kind of detected a little bit of a hang fire there. And actually, I got no read on that one. Huh. And we had a cap jam on that one. To be honest to Godness with you, I've had as many, if not more, cap jams with the Ruger Old Army than just about anything out there. So we're going with shot, what should be shot number 4. Well, that one dropped down 808. I don't know what the heck is going on, but I have crazy numbers here. No read, and because I'm not got a no read, or I do have a no read, I may run the whole thing and just load later for the jug test. No read. Well, that one was definitely potent. I don't know what's going on. And another cap jam with this thing. Again, I've had more cap jams with this Ruger Old Army than any revolver I've ever had. So we're going to try this one last time and go ahead and run this round because curiosity's killing the cat. What the hell? One of those days I can't get nothing to go right. It's on there. Try again. Keep this thing down range. Definitely a hang fire on that one. And no read. I don't know what's going on. Must be. I ain't never had hang fires like that before. But we're empty. Interesting. Interesting, interesting, interesting. These things are built like a tank, but I still prefer my Remington. Just me. I'm going to put us on pause. At this point, we're just going to have some fun. And this is what I'm going to say, I mean by let's have some fun. I brought the carbine with me today with the new Curse converter on it. And for today, all we're going to be shooting is some Winchester Western and target loads. Okay. Just because that's what we can do. At this point, the only thing I'm going to be aiming at down range is what I can see for clumps of grass or divots and just see how she runs. And let's load her up. That's not good.